Alright, so we've already started warming up the juice and stirring in the sugar. This is Texas Persimmon. It has loads of pectin within it. So depending on how much distilled water, if you add a little too much, you might have to add a little pectin, but usually I don't have to add any pectin to this. And so we're doing equal parts sugar and equal parts juice. And that should be enough for it to thicken up. If you don't want to add the pectin, you can simply just reduce it. So cook it a little longer and cook out some of the water and it'll thicken. Right, time to go ahead and pour that in. We'll pour it about 1/4 inch from the rim. Good.